sipping some tea. Hey guys, it's Emmy or 16 MSP here, and I'm here with Fussy Tissues MSP. Say hi.
Hi.
Yep, that's her. And then yeah, look. And today I'm gonna be reviewing the theme. The new theme, which is Flawless, unless they've changed it, which I don't think they have. Don't get me copyrighted, Fussy Tissues.
What?
Don't get me copyrighted.
Okay. That's the artwork, Mama. I was trying to tell you.
Okay, yeah, well, let me turn on the sound because it sounds boring without the sound. I don't know how, but I've actually bought a few things from the theme, but I don't honestly like them very much. Like this hair's from the new theme.
Shit. Push me away. That's it.
Yeah, let's look at this. Oh, okay. No, okay. What the freak is that? What's this? Ew. No, I've seen this hair. I hate this hair. This is a pretty basic top. I'd buy it, but it's not worth $500. What the freak is that? I keep on your thighs. F-I-N-D-S, now try you in Japan. F-I-E-N-D-S, get that shit inside your head. Oh no. F-I-E-N-D-S, we're just friends. So don't go look at me with that look in your eyes. I totally gonna get copyrighted. All this stuff is pretty basic. That you can already get. I don't think that's actually in the theme. I think it's in another one, but I think it's blue. These two are practically the same, except these are like short. I'll feel you, right in the air, right in the air. This is basic. None of this stuff is really very like good, but you can get this in Designing Studio, I think. Is this just a rip-off version of the other one? I think I already own that. Anyways, guys, that's it, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye! Mwah! Remember, I love you guys like I love, like Kanye loves Kanye. Bye!